Welcome to the world of gut health. In this discussion, we'll explore how trying a variety of probiotics can affect digestion, energy, and overall well-being. If you've ever wondered what probiotics can do for you, stick around because we're diving into the science, benefits, and how to make the most of them. Why gut health matters. Did you know that around 60 to 70 million people in the US suffer from some kind of digestive problem, according to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases? Issues like bloating, constipation, and acid reflux are not just uncomfortable, they can severely impact your quality of life. When our gut isn't happy, we're not happy. Even more surprising? Our gut doesn't just influence digestion. Research shows it plays a massive role in immune health, mood, and even brain function. This connection, known as the gut-brain axis, explains why stress can throw our digestion into chaos. According to a study published in National Library of Medicine, an official website of the United States government, chronic stress can alter gut microbiota, leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and even anxiety. An unhealthy gut has also been linked to conditions like autoimmune diseases, obesity, and depression, highlighting just how critical gut health is for overall well-being. Enter probiotics, the gut's best friend. So, what can we do to support our gut? That's where probiotics come in. Probiotics are live microorganisms, often called good bacteria, that help maintain a healthy balance in our gut. What science says about probiotics? The evidence behind probiotics is growing every day. 1. Irritable bowel syndrome, also called as IBS in short, the publication in National Library of Medicine says that probiotics had a noticeable short-term impact on overall IBS symptoms. The effectiveness depended on how long the treatment lasted and the type of probiotics used. Shorter treatments and Bacillus probiotics worked better. 2. Antibiotic-associated diarrhea prevention. According to the publication in Elsevier, probiotics can reduce the risk of antibiotic-associated diarrhea. Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Bifidobacterium longum, and Enterococcus faecium have been shown to have a positive effect. 3. Mental health. A groundbreaking review article published in the famous journal Nutrients says that certain strains of Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium help reduce stress and cortisol levels. For example, Lactobacillus rhamnosus reduces anxiety-like behavior. 4. Immune support. Research in Frontiers in Immunology highlights how probiotics enhance immune response, lowering the risk of infections like the common cold. How do probiotics work? Think of your gut like a bustling city. Probiotics are the helpful citizens that keep everything running smoothly, from fighting off bad bacteria to producing essential nutrients. Each strain of probiotic has its own unique benefits. Lactobacillus acidophilus. Excellent for reducing bloating and managing IBS. Bifidobacterium longum. Helps reduce inflammation and support mental health. Saccharomyces boulardii. Known for treating diarrhea and promoting gut repair. When and how to take probiotics. Timing and consistency matter. To maximize benefits. 1. Take them on an empty stomach. Probiotics thrive when they don't have to compete with food. Aim for first thing in the morning or 30 minutes before a meal. 2. Consistency is key. Probiotics need time to colonize your gut, so stick with them for at least 4 to 6 weeks to notice significant changes. 3. Choose the right strain for your needs. For example, try Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG for immunity or Bifidobacterium breve for skin health. Top probiotic brands to try to help you get started. Here are some globally trusted brands. Culturelle, famous for their single-strain Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG products, great for immunity. Align, known for their Bifidobacterium-based formulas, clinically proven to support IBS. Floristore, a top choice for Saccharomyces boulardii supplements, perfect for travelers. Renew Life Ultimate Flora offers multi-strain probiotics tailored to specific needs like women's health or digestive balance. Yakult, a delicious probiotic drink packed with Lactobacillus casei shirota, ideal for beginners. Probiotic-rich foods to explore. If supplements aren't your thing, don't worry. You can load up on probiotics through these fermented foods. Yogurt, look for live and active cultures on the label. Kefir, a tangy, probiotic-packed drink with multiple strains. Kimchi and sauerkraut, fermented veggies bursting with gut-friendly bacteria. Miso and tempeh, protein-rich options with a dose of probiotics. What to expect when starting probiotics? Some people notice immediate benefits like reduced bloating, while others may experience mild side effects like gas as their gut adjusts. According to gastroenterology clinics of North America, these effects are temporary and typically resolve within a week or two. Let's see what happens. By understanding how probiotics work and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can support your digestion, energy levels, and even your mood. If you've tried probiotics before, drop your thoughts in the comments. What worked for you? What didn't? And if you're new to probiotics, let us know what questions you have. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more gut health tips, and stay tuned for our next discussion, where we'll reveal top tips for maintaining a happy, healthy gut. Until then, take care and stay healthy.